Hello, everybody. How's you guys doing today? So tonight I'm going to show you how to screen displays. Okay, we're going to shading, the screen. Okay, so before we're doing that, let's talk about a little bit of Mastercam. There's a lot of people out there that do want to learn the Mastercam, but they don't know how or they don't know where to search for, and they have to go to class, go to college. They pay a lot of money for the classes, and they take them for about maybe 6 months, 2 years, or maybe even 2 years just to finish the basics, and then they went out there look for a job, so they get a job, right? But then overall, you get maybe 15 to 22, $23 an hour, stuff like that. But why are you gonna spend so much money in college, at the first place? But you can learn basic from here or anywhere in YouTube channel, whatever, or Facebook. You learn from there first for the basic, and then when you go to college, you know most of it anyway. And then you're gonna pay for it, but that kind of advanced already. And then you know more than what you pay. You don't have to pay for beginner. You just pay for the advanced. Okay. If you know somebody that want to learn, go ahead and share this video or like and share this video and subscribe to my channel, and people can learn from there. This just for beginner and the basic stuff. Okay. Now without further ado, let's go to Mastercam 9 and open that up. Okay, let's go to our main menu and go ahead and select F9 here and go ahead and click on create. Select rectangle. We're gonna use 1 point. And we're gonna use 30 by 30 here and gonna select OK. Then I'm gonna put on in the center, put origin, and click escape, Alt F1. Then we're gonna minimize F2. Go and go to main menu. Then we're gonna select create again. And then this time we're gonna click on surface. And then we're gonna select revolve. Okay, and then we're gonna select on chain. And this right here, we're gonna select right here on the bottom left right here. And then we're gonna select done here. Okay. And then on this bottom here, it says select the axis of rotation. So you select the y-axis or the x-axis, okay? So right now I'm going to select the x-axis right here in the bottom here. I'm going to select do it. I'm going to select one more x-axis. I'm going to select on top right here. I'm going to select undo it. Okay, that's how it look right here. So now we're going to go over here to screen. So this shading, right? We're going to do the shading. Go ahead and select on that. On this shading setting right here, so you go ahead and select shading active. And right here tell you, you want to put all in one color or all one material, all surface or select surface. Okay, I'm going to select right here, all in one color. So this color right here, you can go ahead and select that. So they have like maybe 12 or 15 color here. But either one color you choose, that's what it's going to show up on your screen. Okay, so I'm going to use this blue color here, right? I'm going to select OK. Okay, so now when I click OK here, it's going to go onto the screen. Okay. So that's what it looks right on the screen here. So now if I go over here to screen fit for the screen right here, so let's just go minimize a little bit here. That's how it looks in the front. So now you want to, kind of look in a different direction. Okay. See, that's how it looked right there. Okay. So that is it, guys. So I just want to, mention and show you how to do the screen shading. That's all it is. And I hope you guys like this video. And, if you do like this video, please share and like and subscribe to the channel and let people know that, I'm doing this for the beginner. So if they want to learn, tell them about it. That's all I ask for. There's nothing cost over here, so it's free. So without any cost, any money, so you can just learn, free. Anyway, that's all I have for today, and I hope you guys like this video. And I hope I see you next time. And you guys have a great night. Talk to you later. Bye bye.